Welcome to this tutorial on inserting an automatic date and time along with a slide number in your PowerPoint presentation. Begin by opening the PowerPoint application on your computer. Take a moment to ensure that you have the correct software version and that it is ready for use. Once you see the PowerPoint interface, locate and open the presentation file that you want to enhance with a dynamic header or footer. After loading your presentation, direct your attention to the top menu where various options are available. Look for the tab labelled Insert. This tab contains several tools and features that allow you to insert objects such as images, text, and even dynamic elements like the date, time, and slide numbers. When the Insert tab is active, you have access to all the essential tools needed for customizing your presentation. Within the Insert tab, you will notice an option specifically labelled Header and Footer. Selecting this option will open a window that displays several choices for adding information to your slides. In this new window, focus on finding the section that deals with slide formatting and details. It is within this section that you will discover options for including dynamic date and time information as well as slide numbers. Direct your attention to the area dedicated to the slide settings, sometimes labelled simply as the Slide tab within the Header and Footer options. In this part of the interface, you will see checkboxes next to items that can be added to your slides. One of these items is the date and time. By clicking the checkbox next to date and time, you are instructing PowerPoint to display the current date and time on each slide, making it easier for viewers to know when the presentation was last updated or when it occurred. Also, find the checkbox for the slide number and click it to enable the display of slide numbers on your slides. This is particularly useful in longer presentations to help keep track of the slide order and provide your audience with a clear structure. Once both checkboxes are selected, you are given the option to decide how the date is displayed. You can choose to have the information update automatically so that it always reflects the current date and time, or you can set a fixed date, which will remain constant regardless of how many times the presentation is opened or modified. After finalizing these selections, complete the process by clicking the option labeled Apply to All. This action ensures that the changes are applied to every slide in your presentation, providing consistency across the entire document. With these adjustments, your presentation now features both the dynamic date and time as well as the slide number, making it more professional and functional. Enjoy working with your newly enhanced PowerPoint presentation on Double.